Podcast script for episode 37, The Future of Legal Aid, Transforming Access to Justice. Introduction. Welcome to DNTV Hyderabad's daily podcast series, Legal Issues Resolution at Legal Services Authority. I am Bhardwaj, your host, bringing you episode 37, The Future of Legal Aid, Transforming Access to Justice. In today's episode, we will explore the evolving landscape of legal aid and how it's transforming the way justice is accessed in India. From digital solutions to policy reforms, the future of legal aid promises greater reach and efficiency. Stay with us to learn how these changes will shape access to justice for millions of people. Section 1, The Current Landscape of Legal Aid. The current legal aid system in India, although well established, faces several challenges, including limited resources, lack of awareness, and accessibility issues, especially for people in rural and underserved areas. Despite these challenges, significant strides have been made in offering legal assistance through free legal aid services, paralegal volunteers, panel advocates. However, the growing need for legal aid requires us to think ahead. How can we improve and expand access to justice in the coming years? Section 2, The Digital Revolution in Legal Aid. The digital transformation of legal services is one of the most promising developments for the future of legal aid. Online platforms and mobile apps are already making it easier for people to access legal support. Key developments include: Number 1, Tele-law services. Tele-law initiatives where people can consult with lawyers over the phone or through video calls have bridged geographical gaps, especially for rural communities. These services are also being expanded to include more legal issues from family law to land disputes. Number 2, online legal aid portals. Government run portals are now allowing people to apply for legal aid online, making the process more streamlined and accessible to people who may not have access to physical legal aid offices. Number 3, AI and legal technology. Artificial intelligence (AI) is being used to assist with legal research, document preparation, and matching clients with the right legal representatives. These technologies promise to make legal processes faster, cheaper, and more efficient. Number 4, Virtual Lok Adalats. Virtual Lok Adalats, alternative dispute resolution forms, are being introduced to facilitate online settlements of disputes, making justice quicker and more affordable. The digital revolution is poised to democratize legal aid, ensuring that people from every corner of India can access legal resources from the comfort of their homes. Section 3, Policy Reforms and Future Directions. The government is committed to enhancing the accessibility and reach of legal aid services. Some of the key reforms on the horizon include: Number 1, increased funding and resources. There are ongoing efforts to increase funding for legal aid organizations and ensure that they have the resources to provide quality services to a growing population in need of legal assistance. Number 2, expanding legal awareness programs. Legal awareness initiatives are set to expand, ensuring that people across India are informed about their legal rights and how to access legal aid. The goal is to ensure that every citizen understands that justice is within their reach. Number 3, more integrated services. There is a push toward integrated legal services with other public welfare programs. This could mean that legal aid will be more accessible through government health, education, or employment offices, making it easier for people to access comprehensive support. Number 4, strengthening paralegal networks. Efforts are underway to strengthen paralegal networks to assist individuals in rural areas with basic legal guidance. By empowering paralegals with training and technology, the government hopes to increase their ability to help those who can't afford a lawyer. Section 4, Real life impact of future legal aid solutions. Story 1. A farmer from a remote village was struggling to resolve a land dispute through a mobile app that connected him with legal aid professionals. He was able to have his case heard by a lawyer and resolve the issue through an online local Adalat, all while saving time and money. Story 2. A young woman from a small town was unaware of her rights in a domestic violence case. She accessed legal aid through a virtual consultation and was able to file her case without traveling long distances. The lawyer helped her navigate the legal system and she received protection under the Domestic Violence Act. These stories show how digital innovations and legal reforms are already having a profound impact on people's lives, ensuring that access to justice is no longer a privilege for the few. Section 5. Section 5. How you can benefit from future legal aid solutions. With all these advancements, it's important to know how you can take advantage of the future of legal aid. Number 1. Use online platforms. Stay updated with government and legal services websites to apply for legal aid. Consult with lawyers or access useful resources for your legal issues. Number 2. Participate in legal awareness programs. Attend legal awareness workshops or online seminars to learn more about your rights and how legal aid can help you resolve issues. Number 3. Consult lawyers virtually. Take advantage of online legal consultations for advice on civil, criminal, family, or labor law matters without the need for physical meeting. Number 4. Stay informed about new reforms. Follow updates on government initiatives, including new policies, funding, and technology based legal services that can improve access to justice. Conclusion. The future of legal aid is bright and full of possibilities with digital tools, policy reforms, and increased awareness. Legal aid services will be more accessible, efficient, and widespread. This transformation is critical in ensuring that justice reaches everyone, regardless of their socio-economic status. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode. If you found this discussion helpful, share it with someone who might benefit. Join us tomorrow for another insightful episode on legal services. Until then, stay informed, stay empowered, and remember justice is for all. Call to action. Explore the future of legal aid. Visit online legal aid platforms to access free consultations today. Help others stay informed. Share this episode with your community and ensure they know how to access the legal aid services of tomorrow. Follow DNTV Hyderabad for more episodes on legal services and how they are evolving to meet the needs of the public. Key message. The future of legal aid is digital, efficient, and inclusive. Every person deserves access to justice, and technology is the key to making that a reality.